Hello students, today we are going to discuss exercise 1.2. Before starting that chapter, we have to discuss some properties of rational number. The properties of addition of rational number. There are some properties. The first one is closure property of rational number. It's saying that sum of two rational number also a rational number. As a rational number, suppose 3 by 5. The next one is 3 by 10. The sum of these two numbers should be a rational number. Okay. Same, the commutative property is saying sum of two rational number not depends on the order in which they are added. Okay. Suppose a number written like 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10 means 3 by 10 plus 3 by 5. Okay. Symbolically you can say that one number A by B plus C by D is equal to anything X by Y. Okay. Similarly, symbolically or by symbol you can say that one A by B plus C by D equal to C by D plus A by B. Means it not depends how we are writing that number. Okay. The next one is associative property. Sum of three rational number doesn't depend how the rational number are grouped. Okay. As the number, suppose number is written A by B plus C by D plus E by F. Okay. Means suppose we have written like this is equal to A by B plus in bracket C plus D plus E by F. Symbolically you can write that like this, or if you want to write that number in the form of number or form of rational number, suppose the number is 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 15 by 10 20. So it's not depend how the number are written. Suppose these are the group and another group is like 3 by 5 plus 3 by 10 plus 15 by 20. You can group anyway. Okay. So pause the screen and write this one. Okay, look here some other properties of rational number, which is existence of additive identity. The first one is any rational number A by B when added to 0 will remain itself. Means any number, suppose symbolically you can write like that A by B plus 0 is equal to A by B is equal to 0 plus A by B. Means in all the cases it remains itself. Means 0 is added to A by 2 or 0 is added, A by 2 is added with 0, it remains A by 2. Means if you write that number in form of digit, then suppose 3 by 5 plus 0 is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 0 plus 3 by 5. Okay. The same one is, the next one is additive inverse. The additive inverse of any rational number A by B is the negative of rational number. Okay. The additive inverse means negative of the rational number. Suppose the number is A by B. Its negative additive inverse is negative of the rational number. Means A by it's a, or you can see that one, additive inverse of a by b. What they written? Additive inverse of any rational number a by b is the negative of rational number. The additive inverse of itna is what? Minus a by b. Or you can say that one. The next one is, you can say like that one also, additive inverse of a rational number. Suppose the rational number form of negative, means itna is equal to negative of, means the negative of that number is minus a negative a by b. So it becomes what? A by b, means opposite or the reverse of it. Okay, pause the screen and write this one also. Okay, now we are going to solve some questions of exercise 1.2. The first question is, find sum of 5 by minus 7 and 4 by minus 21. The board is signing here, I am reading here, find sum of, means this is question number 1 of any question, I don't know which number is this one. So first of all, to solve this one, we have to write the 5 by minus 7 into its standard form. Standard form means the denominator should be positive. So to make it positive, what we can do? 5 by minus 7, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1, it becomes minus 5 by 7. Next one is 4 by 21. To make this standard form, what we have to do? The subtraction should be, denominator should be positive, and then pair of number, and the number should be co-prime. Okay. The next one is 4 by minus 21 into minus 1 into minus 1. It becomes what? Minus 4 by 21. Now what we have to do? Sum. So you can write like that. Before writing that one, we have to get the LCM of 7 and 21 is equal to 21. So now sum is equal to minus 5 by 7 plus in bracket minus 4 by 7. 4 by 21. The sign is different, that's why I have written this one inside the bracket. So it becomes minus 5 by 7, and after opening this bracket it becomes minus 4 by 21. So finally what we get? The LCM of that number is 21. This one becomes minus 5 into 7 3s are 21 minus 4 into 21 1s are 21. So it becomes 5 3s are 15 minus 15 minus 4 by 21. As we discussed that one, the same sign is going to be add. Both have the one negative signs, so that these two numbers should be add. So it becomes what? 19. And the sign of the maximum one, which is minus. So it becomes minus 19 by 21. This is the answer. Okay? Pause the screen and write it. Next question is question number 2, which is find difference minus 5 by 7 from minus 2 by 5. So in case of solving this type of question, the number is already written in form of standard form. So what we have to do, first of all retain this much from this one. Means we have to subtract minus this number minus 5 by 7 subtracted from which number? 5 by 7 subtracted from minus 2 by 5. So write this one inside the bracket. So what we get? We'll get that one minus 2 by 5 plus 5 by 7. Okay, both the number are prime number. Both the number are prime number. No any common factor both of that number have. So in case of getting the LCM of that two number, we have to just multiply these two. So LCM of 5 and 7 is equal to 35. So minus, so LCM is 35. So we have to write minus 2 into 5 7 ja 35. So like that, plus 5 into 7 5 ja 35. So it becomes 7 into 2 become 14. So minus 14 plus 5 into 5, which is 25 by 35. Look here, in this case, which number is greater? The 25 is greater. Sign is different, so we have to subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. So we have to subtract 14 from 25. Okay, what we'll get? 11. Okay, and the sign of the bigger one, which is positive, by 35. So either you can write the sign of positive or you can leave this one. Okay, so this is the answer of this one. Okay, pause the screen and write. Next question is simplify 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2 minus in bracket minus 5 by 4 plus 4 by 3. In case of simplifying that one, first of all we have to rewrite the number as the given 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2. Look here, I am writing question 1 again, by 5 by 4 plus 4 by 3. So it becomes 7 by 6 plus 1 by 2 plus this minus, and this one is also minus. So by multiplying, there is nothing sign is given between them. So it becomes minus into minus become plus. So it becomes 5 by 4 plus 4 by 3. So now you can write that one. LCM of 6, 2, 4 and 3 is equal to 12. Okay, now you just write LCM as 12. Then 7 into 6 2 ja 12 plus 1 into 2 6 ja 12 plus 5 into 4 3 ja 12 plus 4 into 3 4 ja 12. Okay, then look here, what you'll get? 7 2 ja 14, 6 1 ja 6, 5 3 ja 15 plus 6 4 4 ja 16 by 12. To make the mathematics easy, we have to see in type of combination which make your addition easy. Look here, there are written 16 and this one is 14. If you add these two, it becomes 30. Is it? 10, 10, 6 plus 4, 10. So it becomes 30. Then 10, 35 plus 10, 45. 30, then 15, 45 plus 6. It becomes 51 by 12. So verify that one. To verify it, you can add that one. 6 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 4, 21, 1, carry 2, 1, 2, 3 and that carried 2 become 5. So it becomes 51 by 12. So this is answer of question number 4. Okay, pause the screen and write it. As the question number 7 is written, verify a plus b plus c is equal to a plus in bracket b plus c. This is in the form of associative properties, means when the number is grouping any way, the value will remain unchanged. Okay, so in case of solving this one, or the rational number can be grouped anyway. So these two numbers are grouped here and these two grouped here, the value will remain unchanged or the same. But to verify that one, the associative property is working properly or not, so we have to get that one to solve that one. Okay, the first of all as given, so we can write this one is the left hand and this one is right hand. So you can write that one, you can say that one, put the value of A, B and C in LHS. Okay, so now you can write like this, LHS is equal to LHS is given the value of, first of all, LHS A plus B plus C. Okay, I can write like that, and RHS. Draw a line here and write this side RHS. Suppose I have written LHS here, the value of A is given minus 2 by 3. So we just have to, all the numbers are given in the standard form, so I have just write the value of A, which is minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 6 plus minus 5 by 8. Okay, as the BODMAS is saying, do the thing whatever written, solve the value whatever given inside the bracket. So we have to solve first of all inside the bracket. What will get? The 3 and 6. LCM of 3 and 6 is 6. So you can write like this. LCM is 6 and minus 2 into 3 2 is 6 plus 5 into 6 1 is 6. Here is minus and this one is plus. Both are the different sign. So it will be plus into minus become minus 5 by 8. So it become what? Minus 4 plus 5 by 6 minus 5 by 8 is equal to, this become, these are the two different signs here. This one is minus, this one is plus, or negative and positive. So in that case, we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. So 4 is the smaller one and the 5 one is the bigger one. So we have to subtract that one because the sign are different. So we have to write what? 1. And the sign of the bigger one means sign of positive. You can write that, if you wish to write, you can write. Not want to write, just leave that one. Okay. By 6 minus 5 by 8. So get the LCM of 6 and 8. So 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 3 2 is 6, and which is 24. 24. So LCM of 6 and 8 is 24. So 1 into 6 4 is 24 minus 5 into 8 3 is 24. So it become what? 4 minus 15 by 24. So there are two different values. One is in positive, another is negative. So bigger one, if the sign is different, we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. So 4 is going to subtract from minus 15. So it becomes minus 11 by 24. Okay. Look here, right hand side. The value of A is given minus 2 by 3 plus, I'm just writing the format first one, A plus B plus C. Okay, the value of A is minus 2 by 3 plus the value of B is 5 by 6 plus minus 5 by 8. So it becomes minus 2 by 3 plus LCM of 6 and 8, we have seen that one, which is 24. That is 5 into 4. This becomes minus 5 into 3. So this one minus 2 by 3 plus this becomes 5 4 ja 20 minus 5 3 ja 15 by 24. What happened here? Minus 2 by 3 plus, this one is a positive, this one is negative, so we have to subtract that one. Same sign is going to be add and different sign is going to be subtract. The sign are different. This is positive, this is negative. So we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. What will get? 5. And the sign of the bigger one, which is positive. So this is by 24. Now the LCM of 3 and 24 is equal to 24. Okay. So rest of part is, so what we get? The LCM is 24. So minus 2 into 8 plus 5 into 1. So it becomes minus 16 plus 5 by 24. Now here two different sign, one is negative, another is positive. The different sign is going to be subtract. So we have to subtract the smaller value from the bigger one. Okay, what will get? 16 minus 5, 11. And the sign of the bigger one, which is minus, by 24. What will get? The LHS, left hand side is minus 11 by 24 and right hand side is also minus 11 by 24. So LHS is equal to RHS. So you can write that one. Verified. Pause the screen and write it. The next question is, what number should be added to minus 7 by 12 to get 1 by 24? So the unknown number we have to add with minus 7 by 12. So you can write that one. Let the number is x. So in that case you can write that one, or you can say that one according to the question, minus 7 by 12 plus x. The known number is x. Okay, let the number is x. So minus 7 by 12. What number should be added to itna? Means the known number is x. So number is given minus 7 by 12 plus unknown number is x is equal to 1 by 24. So we transpose it, leave the variable one side of equal to and the rational number to the another side. Okay, so it will become 1 by 24. So if you shift this one minus 7 by 12 to the another side of equal to, it become positive 7 by 12. So x is equal to, so you can write like this here, LCM of 24 and 12 is equal to what? 24. So x is equal to 24. 1 into 24 1 is 24 plus 7 into 12 2 is 24. So what we get? X is equal to 1 into 1 become 1 plus 7 into 2 become 14 by 24. So x is equal to 15 by 24. So unknown number is, so unknown number is 15 by 24. So solve rest of the question. If there are any doubt, you can WhatsApp on 8271706992. Okay, try to solve this exercise, and if there are any problem, you can ask or you can send the question to this WhatsApp number 8271706992. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.